Hey guys, I'm Tanya and today I wanted to try the 5-minute makeup challenge. Also, quick side note, I think I figured out my audio issues, so hopefully this video sounds way better than my last videos. Hopefully. Anyway, so moving on. I have all my makeup in front of me, which I think most of the time when you're putting your makeup on, it's in front of you, and I think like a few tips that I wanted to do whenever you're in a hurry and needing to put makeup on fast. Number one would be have a good skincare routine, because the better your skin looks, the less you have to make it up. And my second tip would be to use a tinted moisturizer instead of a foundation whenever you're in a rush or in a hurry and trying to get ready to go. My favorite thing has been this Milk Skin Tint. If you haven't seen my videos lately, I've been using it a lot. So yeah. And then my third tip, and I think final for right now, is to use your bronzer and highlighter as your eyeshadow. It really makes everything go by faster. So that's what I'll be doing today. All right, I'm gonna get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start a timer. And I'm using this stopwatch. And let's do this. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully I can do it in 5 minutes. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go. All right. First, I'm gonna take my skin tint, and I already put my skincare on, but I'm not gonna use any. I'm not gonna use any primer. So. Put this on. The right brush would be good. And just kind of buff all that in. Okay, good enough, I think. And then, all right, and then I'm gonna take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. It's already been a minute. Okay. I can't tell what I'm doing. Hold on. And okay, blender. I'm trying. Oh, it's already been almost 2 minutes. Crap. All right. I'm trying to hurry. Taking powder, just putting it in here. Okay. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Where's my brush? And Shady Biz. I'm at 2.5 minutes. Oh, how does it go by so fast? All right. I'm gonna take this Ofra highlighter. Okay. Lovecraft Beauty Palette. Use Altheta again. Oh, another thing is using blush. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush, and I'm at 320. And I'm going to take my bronzer. And just go all over my lid with it. My camera needs to focus. Okay. I'm almost at 4 minutes. Okay. Crap. Okay. I'm gonna go and take some blush on there. Alright. And just a little bit of my highlighter. Put that right here. And right here. Alright. Yeah. Okay, 420 mascara. Okay, go. $4.41. Okay, and then take some lip balm. Stop. Okay. I'm at 4:56. So I did it. Alright, so and not too bad, I don't think. So I did 4 minutes 56 seconds. I think I'm gonna kind of fix some things and just real quick. So okay, and there's a couple of things that I didn't get to do that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna start the timer again and see how long it takes me to just kind of finish. I'm gonna start the timer again. I'm gonna go back into my bronzer and just kind of deepen this up a little bit more. Okay. And then I'm also going to go back into this blush and kind of get that a little bit more too. Okay, I think that was a little bit better. And then I'm going to go, sorry. Alright. And then I'm going to add a little bit more mascara, or add a second coat. And then also take a spoolie and clean that up so it's not so clumpy. Alright. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and put some of this bronzer under my eye. I got a little bit of creasing going on, but I think it's just from not blending it super well or buffing it out super well. Okay. And then I'm also okay. I'm gonna take some eyeliner, and this is just Colourpop, and I'll list everything in the description below. And I'm just gonna put that in my upper lid. Our upper waterline. Okay. And then I'm taking my brow gel. It's Brow Boss. Just running that through real quick. do with that spoolie. Okay. I'm taking that highlighter again and just sticking my finger in there. Okay, and there we go, I think. Yeah, so there we go. And that was the 5-minute makeup challenge. Oh, and let me stop this. The rest of that took 8 minutes and 35 seconds. So, sorry, I blew a crack on my phone. It's the top, it's the tempered glass top, whatever thing. Alright, so yeah, I was really impressed with myself. I'm glad I was able to get it done. Wow, that was more intense than I thought it would be. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. This was fun and intense. My heart's still kind of racing. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I'm going to try to find more makeup challenges to do, because this was fun. This was quick, fun, cool. So I had a good time. Hopefully you did too. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!